Scientists warn our planet's vital pollinators are disappearing rapidly. This silent crisis threatens global food security and our ecosystems. Bees, crucial for 1/3 of our food, face unprecedented challenges. Their intricate lives are often unseen, yet incredibly impactful. Today, we uncover a hidden enemy: neonicotinoid pesticides. These systemic chemicals infiltrate plants, becoming deadly cocktails. They target insects, but their reach extends far beyond pests. We will explore how these compounds devastate bee populations. Understanding this impact is vital for our shared future on Earth. Neonicotinoids, or neonics, emerged in the 1990s as powerful insecticides. Companies like Bayer and Syngenta developed these widespread chemicals.
Imidacloprid, Thiamethoxam, and clothianidin are common examples.
Farmers use them to coat seeds, protecting crops from early pests. The plant absorbs the pesticide, making every part toxic. Pollen and nectar become contaminated, ingested by foraging bees. Bees then carry these toxins back to their vulnerable colonies. This systemic nature makes them particularly insidious for pollinators. Unlike older sprays, rain cannot wash these internal poisons away. Their presence persists throughout the plant's entire life cycle. Even low doses of neonics can severely impair bee behavior. Studies show disorientation, hindering their ability to navigate home. Bees exposed struggle with foraging. Their immune systems weaken, making them susceptible to diseases. Laying capacity, hindering their ability to significantly navigate home, decreases from exposure. This impacts colony growth, leading to eventual population decline. Research by Dr. Dave Gowelson highlights chronic exposure's cumulative effects. Bumblebees, especially, suffer reproductive failure due to neonics. Worker bees exhibit reduced social interactions, disrupting hive cohesion. Ultimately, these effects contribute directly to colony collapse disorder. Mounting scientific evidence prompted global regulatory action. The European Union first restricted 3 key neonics in 2013.
By 2018, the EU implemented a near-total outdoor ban on these chemicals.
Canada also introduced phased restrictions on specific neonicotinoids.
Some U.S. states, like Maryland, have enacted their own bans.
Farmers worldwide are now seeking safer, alternative pest management. Integrated Pest Management (IPM) offers sustainable, bee-friendly solutions. Crop rotation, biological controls, and habitat restoration are key. These practices minimize chemical reliance, fostering healthier ecosystems. Citizen science initiatives also monitor bee health and advocate change. Neonicotinoids profoundly impact our essential, tiny pollinators. Their widespread use created an unseen environmental catastrophe.
However, global awareness and action offer pathways to recovery. Every small action helps these incredible creatures thrive again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.